This is Jatinder from TechCom. Today we are doing review of Videocon Krypton 3 V50JG 4G Volte smartphone which has been launched in India. This phone is made of plastic. You can see on the back cover it's a blue color back cover made of plastic, but looks good. It's shining one, and on the front it's a 5-inch HD display with 2.5D curved glass, and it looks quite good. As far as its design is concerned, on the right hand side you can see there is a power button and volume rocker. There is nothing inside on the left hand side, and there is a metal frame has been given between the back cover and the display. You can see it looks a little bit of gold color, but it is not of gold color, but it has been designed in such a way to give it an appealing look to the phone. And the SIM slot has been given behind the back panel. I'll just show you. This is a slot for 2 SIMs, and you can put 2 SIMs of 4G networks. And this is slot for your micro SD card extension, and this is a removable battery, Videocon removable battery. You can remove it. So this is a plastic phone, but it's not of cheap quality and looks good. As far as its other features are concerned, this phone comes with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, which you can extend up to 64 GB via micro SD card. And this phone runs on MediaTek 64-bit 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, and this processor is quite okay in this price range. And this phone has a battery of 3000 mAh. Let me start with the display. The display of this phone is quite good, and you get brighter images and good and crisp text on this display, but there is a poor visibility as far as usage of this display is concerned in the sunshine. This display has a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. And for this is good for watching videos and for your other media content. As far as its performance is concerned, this phone runs on MediaTek 64-bit 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, and I have played certain games, and there is no issue as far as switching between the apps is concerned, and this phone doesn't heat up if you run it for say for 30 minutes or 40 minutes at a stretch for playing games or for playing other media contents. But the issue of heating comes up when you play with the heavy duty games for quite longer time, but that is a minor issue, and this happens even in premium phones. So that is not a bigger stumble as far as its processor is concerned. Otherwise the processor performs very well, and 2 GB RAM is quite sufficient. And this phone runs on Android Marshmallow 6.0 OS, which is the latest operating system. That is one of the plus point of this, and Videocon has not done many tweaks. Only slight tweaks are there, like of gestures, and that is again a plus feature of this phone. So you get almost a stock Android like experience on this phone. And as far as its camera capability is concerned, this phone comes with 13 megapixel primary camera with the face detection, autofocus, isocell Samsung sensors, and dual LED flash. So that is again a plus point of this. This comes with the Samsung's sensor and dual LED flash. I have clicked certain images on this phone. I'll just show you. And to my opinion, these images have come quite good. You can see I mean, you can't get better images on a phone of this price. You can see a detailed contrast is good. You can see these are the brighter images, but these have been captured in daylight. So but there is a little bit problem when you capture the images in low light or in the night. But again, even in high-end camera, I have observed that those phones even fail when you click the images on low light. So that is not again an issue as far as this phone is concerned. This phone comes with the 5 megapixel front shooter for taking selfies, and the quality of the selfie is quite good. So you can use these selfies for your social media. And this phone, as I explained to you, runs on Android Marshmallow 6.0 OS, and that is one of the major highlight of this phone. Plus Videocon has is giving Eros Now app for 6 months. That's a free subscription for 6 months. So you can see unlimited movies and movies and videos, movie and songs videos of Eros. So that is again a plus point. And this voucher comes in the pack. This is Eros Now. You can see this is a 6 months of free subscription comes with this. And this phone also comes with free silicone cover along in the pack. So you can put like this to save it from scratches, etc. So that saves the headache of any scratches, because otherwise this phone has a shiny back panel, as I explained to you earlier. So there are chances of scratches, but with this silicone cover you can avoid these things. Overall, my observation about this phone is that this phone is good as far as its display and camera is concerned. Its processor is also decent and doesn't I have not faced any hiccups in switching between the apps, running the games, etc. And this phone is priced 10,000 rupees, and in this price this phone is quite good. This phone is a lighter one also. It's a sleek phone, and you can easily carry, you can operate it with single hand, can put it in your pocket. This phone has a weight of just 143 grams, and it looks nice also in your hand. And you can definitely consider this phone if you are planning to buy a phone in the price range of 10,000 rupees, because it has good camera and processor is decent. So okay, you won't face any hiccups while playing games or running your videos on this phone, and looks good. But only drawback is this phone does not have fingerprint sensor, which has become a standard feature nowadays on this range of smartphones. But that is not a big issue, and you can use your password, etc. to open the phone. So overall, my observation is that this phone is good looking phone, and is can be recommended if you are planning to buy 10,000 a phone of 10,000 rupees. And this is other plus point is this phone is readily available in offline channels also. So my full recommendation for this Videocon Krypton 3 V50JG phone. And another beautiful feature of this phone is that this phone is will support all 4G LTE networks of Indian bands, and is ready for VoLTE whenever it is available in India. So good phone and is highly recommendable. Thanks for watching this video, and bye.